So the first thing we did that day was basically have fried chicken for breakfast. This Kyochon place was highly recommended by one of my coworkers, and the fried chicken is so delicious. Hongdae was a really nice area to do some shopping. They had some nice clothes for really cheap and really good quality. They also had some accessories, some cell phone cases, and it's a good place to buy knockoffs as well. So during our walk, we just stopped by some random cafe because we wanted to try the Bingsu. Bingsu is basically like a shaved ice with some fruit on it, and this one was mango. Actually, desserts in Korea are really expensive. I found it way more expensive than paying for dinner, but we never learned our lesson because it was so good. This part can get pretty long. Feel free to skip over it if you're not interested in looking at BT21 merchandise. So BT21, if you don't already know, is a collaboration between Line Friends and BTS, and they drew these characters that kind of represent them, and they just are really cute, so I'm just checking it out. For the evening, we did a cooking class. We booked it through Air B&B, and the host name is Woody, which I'm pretty sure is not his real name because it's not a Korean name at all. But he was really nice, and he hosts it in his house. It was private class because it was just the four of us, and it was really nice to learn how to cook some Korean dishes. Woody was telling us that the sauces we were using were actually homemade. So his mom makes her own bean paste and her own soy sauce and this plum sauce that she made. And that his dad grew an organic farm that had sesame seeds. So really, like, there was no way we were gonna recreate these dishes the same way. The sesame oil here. I don't know. Is it sesame oil, Mario?
Yes.
Okay. So we had a choice of what dishes we were gonna make. So we had a choice of a salad, a main dish, and a side dish. And so for the salad, we chose a seaweed salad, and my sister chose just a lettuce salad with some really good dressing. For the main dish, we all chose pajeon. We had a choice between like a chicken dish and a bulgogi dish, but we all ended up picking the same thing. And so the pajeon is just a seafood pancake that's fried. It was really, really good. And then for the side dish, the guys chose a mushroom dish, kind of like a stir-fried mushroom. And then for us girls, we chose a tofu dish.
I don't know, I think our mushroom's better.
It's not.
Is this too big?
No, it's okay. It's
perfect,
good.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect. And make like this empty part. Yeah. Yeah.
Boom! Looks so good, right? I mean, it was so delicious. I can't believe we cooked all this food. And then for dessert, we got to make some hotok, which is like a sweet pancake that has some cinnamon sugar filling. We told Woody we were going to try to go to a Korean spa, and he says that they put these towels on their head, and so he just showed us how to fold them. We're all smiling in this picture, but maybe we didn't realize that this was actually our second last day in Seoul.